Look at this table. This is a purchase report. It has items, it has initial price, it has final price, and it has discount. And this is the awarded amount. And based on that award, we have issued the PO. So the task over here is to ensure whatever the final price quoted by the supplier, it's same as the awarded price and it should be same of the PO value. So we are using a simple if formula to match these three cells and come up with the results. Let's begin. Yeah, I'm going to use a if formula. So equal to if, open the parenthesis. Now we have to put the logic. What is the logic here? So how to compare this cell F4 with H4 and also from H4 to I4 and also F4 to I4. If three of them matches, I need to get the result called its match. So since there are multiple logic behind it, I'm going to use another formula which is called AND. So I'm using another AND formula, then open the parenthesis. First logic is F4, so I click on this cell equals to awarded price, which is H4. The next logic is I want to compare H4 is equal to then I4. Third one which I want to try and compare is F4 is equal to I4. After that, close the parenthesis. Now I have three scenarios are there which they are going to check each cell and then compare and confirm the results. So what is the result which I want to get? So after that, you just put the comma. Then if the value is true, if the result is true, what I want to see is I need to get the result called match. So in the inverted comma, so I'm going to write match, match. So I want to get the result called match. Now if the result is not true, then I need to get the result called not match. So I'm going to write not match. Then after that, I need to close the parenthesis and click enter. Now you can see the result is showing not match. Why? Because the amount of awarded is 38.25. So we awarded the supplier with a value of $38.25. However, I have issued a PO value of $40. So there is a discrepancy which I need to understand and correct it. This way we can check and compare three cells. So in order to apply to the remaining cells, I'm going to double click here and it's going to bring up the result for the entire table. Now I'm going to try and change few of the cells and then show you what it's going to check and then get the results. For example, I'm going to make it $30, then it'll show it's not matching. Now here it shows not matching. I'm going to make it as $40. Then you can see there is another result also which we need to change, which is $40. Then it shows its match. It's a simple trick where it'll be easy for you to compare three cells and come up with the results. I hope this video is useful. If yes, please give a thumbs up.